Hello and welcome to Quiz Time. I'm Jess and today I've got 100 general knowledge questions for you. So get that thinking cap on and let's go. What is the only planet in our solar system that rotates clockwise? Venus, Mars or Uranus? It's Venus. What is the world's largest desert by area? Sahara Desert, Antarctic Desert or Gobi Desert? Antarctic Desert. Which element gives the blood of a lobster a blue colour? Iron, copper or zinc? It's copper. Which city is the most populous in the world as of 2023? Tokyo, Beijing or Delhi? It's Tokyo. What is the world's largest island? Australia, Greenland or Borneo? It's Greenland. What is the rarest natural hair colour among humans? Blonde, black or red? It's red. What is the capital of the Netherlands? Amsterdam. Which of the following listed mammals is capable of sleeping while standing upright? A horse, a hippopotamus or a kangaroo? It's a horse. Amongst the following elements, which has the highest melting point? Iron, tungsten or platinum? Tungsten. Which insect is known for its ability to turn its head 180 degrees? Ladybug, dragonfly or praying mantis? It's dragonfly. What is the world's largest cave located in Vietnam? Carlsbad Caverns, Son Doong Cave or Waitomo Glowworm Caves? Son Doong Cave. What is the smallest ocean in the world? Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean or Atlantic Ocean? Arctic Ocean. Which of the following is a venomous spider? Lubinella morobensis, Astavaka sexmucronata or Sydney funnel web spider? The Sydney funnel web spider. What is the world's deepest point in the ocean? Puerto Rico Trench, Mariana Trench or Philippine Trench? It's Mariana Trench. Which city is the world's highest capital in terms of elevation? La Paz, Kathmandu or Bogota? It's La Paz. What is the world's largest flower, known for its foul smell? The Rafflesia arnoldii. Which of the following countries has the most islands? Sweden, Finland, or Norway? It's Sweden. In what year did the Tunguska event, a massive explosion in Siberia, take place? 1908, 1927 or 1943? 1908. What is the world's largest coffee producing country as of 2023? Colombia, Ethiopia or Brazil? It's Brazil. Which gas is responsible for the distinctive smell of rotten eggs? Methane, hydrogen sulfide or carbon monoxide? It's hydrogen sulfide. The world's largest inland body of water by surface area is Caspian Sea, Lake Baikal or Lake Superior? It's Caspian Sea. The brightest star in the night sky is Vega, Betelgeuse or Sirius? It's Sirius. What is the world's largest lizard species? Gila monster, Komodo dragon or monitor lizard? Komodo dragon. Which element is the primary component of diamonds? Carbon. The Richter scale is used to measure what? Hurricanes, earthquakes, or volcanic eruption? Earthquakes. What is the world's largest archipelago by land area? The Malay Archipelago, the New Guinea Archipelago or the Canadian Arctic Archipelago? The Malay Archipelago. Which gases are responsible for the northern lights? Hydrogen and carbon dioxide, nitrogen and oxygen, or helium and argon? Nitrogen and oxygen. What is the world's heaviest snake species? Python, green anaconda, or cobra? It's the green anaconda. The first successful human transplant happened in what year? 1954, 1975 or 1967? 1967. What is the world's oldest known written language? Sumerian cuneiform, Greek or Latin? Sumerian cuneiform. What is the recommended daily water intake for an average adult? 1.7 to 2.6 litres, 2.7 to 3.7 litres, or 3.8 to 5 litres? 2.7 to 3.7 litres. Do you get enough water? How many hours of sleep is generally recommended for adults each night? 3 to 5 hours, 7 to 9 hours, or 10 to 11 hours? 7 to 9 hours. So do you get the sleep and the water intake? On average, what percentage of the human brain is water? 5 to 20%, 50 to 70%, or 25 to 45%? 50 to 70%. Which vitamin is commonly known as the sunshine vitamin? Vitamin B, vitamin C, or vitamin D? Vitamin D. What is the primary function of the mitochondria in a cell? Energy production. How many continents are entirely in the Eastern Hemisphere? 3, 4, or 5? It's 4. In which month does the autumn season typically begin in the Northern Hemisphere? October, September, or December? It's September. What is the world's most widely spoken native language? English, Mandarin Chinese, or Spanish? It's Mandarin Chinese. Which sense is most closely linked to memory? It's smell. Doesn't a smell bring back lovely memories, or bad ones sometimes? An adult human has how many teeth? 24, 28, or 32? It's 32. What are the primary functions of the pancreas in the human body? Hormone regulation and urine purification, digestion and sugar control, or blood circulation and muscle movement? It's digestion and sugar control. What is the world's most consumed beverage after water? Coffee, tea, or juice? It's tea. Are you having a cup of tea? Which human organ produces insulin? Liver, kidneys, or pancreas? It's the pancreas. What is the world's most widely consumed fruit? Banana, apple, or orange? Is this part of your 5 a day? The banana. What is the process by which blood clots to prevent bleeding? Hemostasis. What is the primary purpose of the red blood cells in the human body? They're for carrying oxygen. In what year did the internet become publicly available for widespread use? 1984, 1991 or 1995? It's difficult to remember time without it, isn't it? But it was 1991. The Earth's core primary components are iron and nickel, copper and diamond, or gold and silver. It's iron and nickel. Which human sense is the least developed at birth? Smell, sight, or hearing? It's sight. Which gas is released by cars and contributes to air pollution? Nitrogen, carbon monoxide, or helium? It's carbon monoxide. Halfway there, so how are you doing? The lifespan of a human red blood cell is 60 days, 90 days, or 120 days. It's 120 days. What is the process by which plants release water vapour into the atmosphere? Photosynthesis, transpiration, or evaporation? It's transpiration. The world has how many time zones? 12, 24, or 36? 24. The most common blood type is O, AB, or A? Which one do you have? Are you common or rare? Common is O. What is the process by which plants take in water from the soil? Photosynthesis, osmosis, or absorption? Osmosis. In cooking, what does the term sauté mean? Bake, fry quickly in a small amount of oil, or steam? Fry quickly in a small amount of oil. Do you like sauté potatoes? What is the smallest prime number? 0, 1, or 2? It's 2. Which gas gives carbonated beverages their bubbles? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, or helium? Carbon dioxide. What is the most populous country in South America? Argentina, Brazil, or Colombia? It's Brazil. What is the world's most traded spice as of 2023? Turmeric. What is the world's most widely used metal? Steel, cobalt, or nickel? It's steel. The first modern Olympics took place in what year? 1886, 1896, or 1906? Nate 1896. Which ocean is the largest by surface area? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, or Indian Ocean? It's Pacific Ocean. What planet has the slowest rotation in the solar system? Jupiter, Venus, or Mars? It's Venus. Which country is known as the Land of 1,000 Lakes? Sweden, Finland, or Canada? It's Finland. In what year did the Chernobyl nuclear disaster occur? 1980, 1986, or 1992? Do you remember where you were when you heard about it? It was 1986. I was on my way to brownies. The longest above water mountain range on Earth is Rocky Mountains, Andes, or Alps? The Andes. Which country has the most pyramids? Egypt, Sudan, or Peru? It's Sudan. Which city is the farthest south in the world? Punta Arenas, Ushuaia, or Hobart? Ushuaia. What is the longest river in Asia? The Yangtze River. What is the world's largest salt flat located in Bolivia? Chotel Gerid, Badwater Basin, or Salar de Uyuni? Salar de Uyuni. Which bird holds the record for the longest migration, travelling from the Arctic to Antarctica? The swallow, the Arctic tern, or the albatross? It's the Arctic tern. Incredible birds. The only continent giraffes live in the wild is Africa, South America, or Australia? Of course, it's Africa. What is the term for the specialised pores on the surface of leaves that allows gas exchange? Stomata, chloroplasts, or xylem? Stomata. Which of the following is a type of succulent plant adapted to arid conditions? Fern, cactus, or orchid? It's cactus. Which plant is known for its sticky traps to catch insects? Sundew, moss, or fern? It's sundew. Which ancient Greek mathematician is often called the father of geometry? Euclid, Archimedes, or Aristotle? It's Euclid. Which inventor and businessman is associated with the development of the assembly line and mass production techniques? JP Morgan, Henry Ford, or Andrew Carnegie? It's Henry Ford. Which ancient Chinese philosopher is the author of The Art of War? Confucius, Laozi, or Sun Tzu? Sun Tzu. Who is known for the development of the first practical photographic process, the daguerreotype? Louis Daguerre, George Eastman, or Ansel Adams? Louis Daguerre. Which historical figure is known for his contributions to the field of psychology and the development of psychoanalysis? Sigmund Freud, Ivan Pavlov, or William James? Sigmund Freud. Who is known for the development of the first successful polio vaccine? Louis Pasteur, Albert Sabin, or Jonas Salk? Jonas Salk. What is the average body temperature in degrees Celsius? 35, 37, or 39? It's 37. How many continents are there on Earth? 7, 5, or 6? 7. What is the capital city of Iceland? Copenhagen, Helsinki, or Reykjavik? It's Reykjavik. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O, CO2, or O2? It's H2O. Which human organ can regenerate tissue to some extent? Liver, heart, or lungs? It's the liver. The largest freshwater by surface area is Lake Baikal, Lake Superior, or Lake Victoria? Lake Superior. What is the primary function of the large intestine in the human digestive system? Absorbing nutrients, digesting food, or absorbing water? Absorbing water. What is the world's largest terrestrial mammal? Rhino, hippopotamus, or elephant? The elephant. The adult human has how many bones? 220, 206, or 250? It's 206. What is the main component of the Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? It's nitrogen. What is the smallest unit of currency in the UK? Cent, penny or oar? It's the penny. Which gas do humans exhale when breathing? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide or carbon trioxide? Carbon dioxide. The conversion of light energy into chemical energy by plant is called respiration, photosynthesis or fermentation. It's photosynthesis. What is the largest bird in the world? Ostrich, eagle or emu? It's an ostrich. What do you call the process of rocks being broken down into smaller particles over time by natural forces? Volcanism, sedimentation, or weathering? Weathering. In what year did the Berlin Wall fall, symbolising the end of the Cold War? 1985, 1989 or 1995? Of course, it was 1989. Which country has the most time zones in the world, excluding dependent territories? China, United States or Russia? It's Russia. And your last one. What is Saturn's largest moon? Europa, Titan or Io? It's Titan. So, how was your general knowledge today? Drop your score in the comments below and of course like and subscribe so you get notified every time we post a new quiz, and please join us next time on Quiz Time.